Hello there guys, welcome back to another anatomy video. In today's video, we'll be doing a little bit of embryology. It's been a while since we did an embryology video. Months now, so we'll be doing embryology today. In today's video, we'll be looking at the embryology of the urinary system. And we'll be doing multiple parts. So today, we're going to be looking at the formation of the primitive urinary system. Then next week, we'll continue from there. So first things first, let's begin at the two germ layer stage, where you have the amniotic cavity, the epiblast, the hypoblast, and the yolk sac. So the epiblast and the hypoblast are the two germ layers. That's why we have two germ layer stage. Then gastrulation occurs, and we move to the three germ layer stage. We now have the ectoderm, mesoderm, and the endoderm. Now the mesoderm is divided into three parts. We have the paraxial mesoderm, the intermediate mesoderm, and lateral plate mesoderm. For lateral plates, it is divided into somatic and splanchnic mesoderm. Now, we're going to focus in more on the intermediate mesoderm for this urinary system. So first of all, let's look at the lateral folding. So you now have here your paraxia, your intermediates, and your lateral plates. Now, after the lateral folding, what happens is there's a condensation of the intermediate mesoderm. This condensation forms the urogenital ridge and the nephrogenic cord. This urogenital ridge gives rise to the urinary system and the reproductive system. Now, this is the sagittal view of the whole thing. You can see this nephrogenic cord here. You can see it here now. And close to it, we have the gut tube. Still on the sagittal view, you can see the nephrogenic cord and the gut tube connecting at the cloaca. Now, around week 4, at the cervical region of the nephrogenic cord, we have the pronephros developing ducts and nephrotomes. Now, this pronephros develop and degenerates by week 4. Now, around week 5, from the pronephros, we see the mesonephros developing into ducts and tubules. So, the ducts and the tubules. And it develops at the thoracolumbar region. And this forms the primitive urinary system from week 5 up to week 10. Now, here we can see the duct connected to the aorta. Now, through angiogenesis, the aorta develop glomeruli, which are capillaries. So we can see a primitive urinary system here. A tubule forming a mouth capsule connecting to the glomeruli from the aorta and starts filtration. Then here we can see this primitive urinary system draining into the cloaca. So we can see the mesonephros here, the hindguts, and the cloaca. They all drain into the cloaca, so it's called the drainer and the stainer, according to NinjaNet, and they all drain out through the allointois. Next week, we'll be looking at development of the kidney, so the renal pelvis.